Hi everybody, welcome to the second video of the Summer Extravaganza 2026. Today we are going to try something very interesting. We're going to make an ice ball using this tennis ball. This is from Househould Hacker, one of his older videos. Rest in peace, Dylan. And we're going to try to see if we can get this going. Now the idea is that the tennis ball will help protect the balloon from the ice and everything like that. So then we put this into the balloon, and then we put the water in the balloon, we put the tennis ball in, and we go ahead and, well, we put it in, and we're gonna use a rubber band like this one to cover it. We're gonna cut it in there for a few hours, and then we're gonna see what happens. I've actually always wanted to do this. I finally have a tennis ball, and let me just say also, this was the hardest thing I've ever had to cut open. Huh, kind of looks like a mouth, doesn't it? Hello, how are you?
No, now don't go bleeding hard on me. Powers is the whole ball game. Forget this Ivy League boy who obviously thought it was a good idea to study Soviet economics in Berlin in the middle of the Cold War.
Let's fill this up very carefully.
You don't even like Powers. Everybody hates Powers. He can kill himself and they let the commies parade him on television. He's the most hated man in America. After Rudolph Abel, maybe.
Okay. Right. Alright, so now we have the tennis ball inside the balloon. So, now we're going to, whoops, almost popped open, see, look. Now we're going to take our rubber band, and we're going to tighten it as tight as we can. And now I'm about to go put it in my black freezer. We're going to check it in about an hour or so, and then we will see how it looks. So, see you in an hour or two.
The next day.
Okay, it's the next day. We are going to see how our thing looks. Now, I did check on it a couple of times, but now is the final one. So, let's have a look. And here it is. As we can see, the thing got out. Alright, I'm going to have to use both hands to get this, so. I put 2 rubber bands on to make sure that it got on there. I'll have to see if I can get it out of the tennis ball. That is the important part. Oh, okay, hold on. Alright, I'll let you guys know what happens. Here we are. I managed to get it out. As you can see, a little bit got out here, but, you know, I don't think that's going to be a problem. Alright. Oh, except for that. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Looks very nice. Alright, time for a test. Alright, I have 2 glasses of water. Well, glasses. One has the ice ball, one is going to get some ice in it. What we're going to do is we're going to measure the temperature of the ice. Then we're going to pour some water in, we're going to let it melt. Then we're going to test how cold each one is before we see what it is. Alright, so let's get to it. Little baby. So, let's test the one with the ice ball in it. Let's see. We are at about... Okay, hang on. I'm not doing this right. Alright. Let's try that again. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's the ice ball. Alright, now let's check the other ice. Whoa. Okay, can that be right? I think so. Okay, we'll leave that as 0.3. Alright, so now we're going to run it. We're going to let it sit. And we're going to let it melt. Then we'll test how much of the liquid is still in there and then how much is cold. So, let's see. This is the other one. That was about 11.4 ounces. And now we're going to take the ice ball. I'm going to X that out. Now we're going to see how much this is. A little bit less. Interesting. Now here's the big test. We're going to taste which one is colder. Let's start with this one first.
Previously on Dark Winds.
Refreshing. Now for the ice ball. Actually, this one tastes a little colder. And even though there was less, it's nice actually. Oh. Very refreshing. Tasty. Good. Very good. So, does the ice ball technique work? It does. The only thing is that you need a bigger way to open it. And I think what I didn't cut at the right end. But, you know what? It did work. And Dylan, I mean, it was a great job, man. Well, that's it for this edition of Summer 2026 Extravaganza. If you guys want to see more, be sure to click up on this video right up here. Oh, and check out this video right here. So, until next time, see you guys later. Ha-ha.